Hey fellow Dota 2 fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-step solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to filter for immortal items in your inventory. Immortal items in Dota 2 are rare cosmetic items with unique designs and effects, often released during special events or battle passes. They enhance the appearance of heroes, but don't offer any gameplay advantages. To filter for what immortal items you have in your inventory, you first need to open Dota 2 and then click on Armory, which is on the top of your screen, and then select on the All Items tab. Here you'll see a list of all items you possess. Now to filter for immortal items, click on the button right next to the filter, and from the drop-down menu, select New Filter. Give this filter a name. As we're searching for immortal items, I'm going to name this filter as Immortal. And then on Rarity, select the box right next to Immortal and then click on Apply. Here you have it, all the immortal items filtered out. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!